Bainai literally means to put on henna. That is plant that is commonly used to redden nails, but the Bainai tradition for Minang bride to certainly more than that. Bainai night is the last night of the bride to be a singleton, so it can be said the Bainai night is the Minang version of bachelorette party. Bainai night is still carried out the typical Minangkabau wedding tradition. On this night, the bride-to-be, called anak daro, is required to wear traditional clothes called songket clothes with the Tingkuluak Balapak decoration. When the henna is worn on the nail of the little finger, daro son is prayed for so that it can go through the difficult thing that are faced with the future husband. Henna given to the nail of the index finger symbolizes hope for the daro child to be careful in making decisions, while the henna on the middle finger nail is hope that he will can share love fairly. The henna on the thumb nail symbolizes a prayer so that the bride to be respect her husband, and the henna on the ring finger nail is prayer for the child daroes and their home life and eternal love.